In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets. Sorting your data is one of the easiest ways to make a spreadsheet cleaner and easier to read. Especially when you're working with names, categories, or any list that needs to be organized alphabetically. In Google Sheets, there are two main ways to do this, depending on whether you want to sort an entire sheet or just a specific section of data. First, let's look at how to sort a full sheet by one column. Start by clicking on the column letter at the very top of the column you want to sort by, such as A, B, or C. This tells Google Sheets which column should control the order of the data. After that, go up to the top menu bar and click Data. In the drop-down menu, choose Sort Sheet, and then select Sort Sheet by the column letter, followed by A to Z. Once you do that, the entire sheet will be rearranged based on the values in that column, starting from A and moving down through the alphabet. This method is helpful when all of your data belongs together and you want every row to stay aligned as the sheet is sorted. Now let's go over how to sort only a specific range of cells. This is useful when you don't want to affect the entire sheet and only need to organize one table or section. Begin by highlighting the range of cells you want to sort. Make sure you select the full area of related data so everything stays in the correct row. Then click Data in the top menu bar again, and this time choose Sort Range, followed by Advanced Range Sorting options. A settings box will appear with a few important choices. If your selected range includes column titles, check the box for Data has header row. This is important because it keeps your headers at the top instead of mixing them into the sorted data. Under Sort By, choose the column you want to organize. Then select A to Z as the sorting order, and click Sort. Google Sheets will instantly arrange that selected range in alphabetical order while keeping the rest of the sheet unchanged. That's all there is to it, whether you are sorting an entire sheet or just a selected range. Google Sheets gives you a quick and reliable way to organize your information. Thanks for watching.